Welcome to Master of Excel, the ultimate destination for all things Excel related. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics or an advanced user seeking to master complex functions, this channel is for you. Excel is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you work with data. From creating simple spreadsheets to analyzing complex data sets, Excel has the capability to streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. On this channel, you will find tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you become an Excel expert. Learn how to use formulas and functions to perform calculations, manipulate data, and automate tasks. Discover the power of pivot tables for analyzing and summarizing information. Master the art of data visualization with charts and graphs, and unlock the potential of Excel by exploring advanced features like macros and VBA programming. Whether you are a student, a business professional, or just someone looking to improve your Excel skills, Master of Excel has something for everyone. So grab your keyboard and mouse and let's dive into the world of Excel together. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of Excel enthusiasts. Let's excel together!